What's up? What's up, guys? Alcohol car review.
Take two. Take two. Part two.
Part
two
two today.
Take one. Almost always one take. We are going to try this one. Can you say it?
Nope.
It is Hellhound 16 mil Reserve from Tex. Hot stuff. That's yeah. So I'm guessing it's got 16 mil crystals in it. Not sure, honestly.
Sounds like a big old no from me, dog.
It looks like there's all kinds of stuff in it. I don't know. We're going to find out. Hopefully it's hot. I don't want to break this thing up and spill everywhere.
Yeah, please no.
It smells almost similar to the last one. Oh, lost the cap.
You go first.
Smell.
No.
I said smell. Doesn't it kind of smell like the last one?
Why?
Right.
Is it the last one plus extract?
I don't know. I don't know. Well, I guess cool hot scoops.
Yeah, it's literally watery.
Yeah, it's like the last one. Why?
Let me just lick it off the tip.
Yeah, there's a little bit on the tip.
I know somebody's gonna say something about that. Oh! Nope. Nope. Take it. Oh. I don't think that's 16 mil, but that's hot as fuck. It had that, like, chemically crystal burn.
I get the same amount of burn as I did on the other one.
Excuse me?
Yeah. I don't know.
Are you broken? I don't think it's 16 mil, but it definitely has a chemically burn, like crystals.
I'm not getting any burn.
I have it all over the roof of my mouth. It has a
very, very slight tingle.
Now, I'm going to tell you right now, like, it is not that bad of a burn to me. Like, it's not, like, panic-inducing. It was the first second, because I realized it had the chemical burn. It's not as hot as I thought it was going to be.
Slowly picking up.
It's there, though.
It's definitely the crystals.
Yeah.
Like, I'm slowly starting to feel.
Like, it's building. But it tastes like the Autism one.
Yeah, it tastes just like that.
But has the chemically crystals. Did you really drop the lid? Or is it... Can you make it up?
Here we go. That's a really, really, like...
slow... Oh, yep, now it's going again.
Yeah, it doesn't taste bad. It tastes like taco type crap.
Yeah, it's definitely taco-ish. You didn't see it? He's just gonna be holding this for the next year.
Yeah, it's not bad though. Like, I think it stopped building.
Yeah, it stopped. I don't like...
At maybe a 2, 3 max.
The only reason...
It's making my mouth water.
Yeah. The only reason I panicked in the beginning was just because that automatic, like, chemical.
I'm gonna take a little bit more.
Can I put it on a free down?
Yeah, there you go. That might be pretty tasty, actually.
Would you like a Frito?
Careful. It's like water.
Oh no, that's a lot more.
Nah.
Oh, it's on my finger. You want one?
No, I'm good.
We're good.
Good on Frito?
Chemicals.
That's not bad. I'd definitely check them out just to try it. Texas hot stuff. I'm still going to keep looking out for those pickles, though. Because I got to try those pickles. Craven capsaicin, ate those pickles, and he said they were hot. But he pretty much never reacted to it.
I will just be eating baby gherkins while he eats the hot ones.
Yeah. So I'm going to keep a tab on it. Melvin.
I'm done melting today.
All right. Well, that was a quick little video. I think I only have that mystery nugget left. Which I don't know what it is. I'm going to have to look it up.
That's why it's called Mystery Nugget.
But I have
And
a
we
paper.
got the noodles.
Oh, yeah, we got to do the noodles. Yeah, might do that sometime
Forbidden
this
noodle.
week. All right. We're going to head out. We just wanted to try this. Was hoping it was crazy.
I just wanted a reason to eat Fritos.
Yep. So, have a good day, mate. Good day.
Good day.